and welcome. This is Khushbu Bhatta and today we will learn how you can automatically WhatsApp your firm's brochure whenever a new lead is generated on your Facebook page. Let's say you run a welding business and you have a Facebook page for the same. Now, whenever a new lead is generated on your Facebook page, you want to send them your firm's brochure via WhatsApp. So, how will you do it? First, you can go to Facebook, copy all the lead details, come back, compose a message, attach your brochure and send it to every single lead via WhatsApp. However, this can be a repetitive and time-consuming process. So, how about you try our automation? Here, we will integrate Facebook with WhatsApp, all using Pabbly Connect. So, whenever a new lead is generated on your Facebook page, a WhatsApp message along with your firm's brochure will automatically be sent to them. And the best part is, this entire automation process is so simple that it can even be done by a person of non-technical knowledge. So come to my screen to see how we do it. To WhatsApp brochure of your business when a new lead is generated on your Facebook page, let us first go to Pabbly's website. On the top right, you will see two options, sign up free and sign in. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Now Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name the workflow. We will write Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp. Create. It will show you two windows, Trigger and Action. Trigger is basically when this happens. Action says, do this. So for the trigger application, let us select Facebook lead ads. For the trigger event, we will select new lead instant. Why? Because we want every time a new lead is generated on our Facebook page, a WhatsApp message should be sent to that person. You can see here I have created my Facebook page, ABC Welding Solution. So we want whenever a new lead is generated here, we would send a WhatsApp message, our brochure to that person. Okay, so let us connect. Add new connection. Okay, it says authorization successful. Now we will select our page, ABC Welding Solution. Like this, I showed you, this is my Facebook page. So I've selected my page here. Now it has auto-detected this form, welding brochure form. Why? Because we have only created just one form for this page. In case you have multiple forms for a particular page, you can select from the drop down. Alright, now let us just save and send test request. Okay. So now you will see it is waiting for webhook response. So for this, let us quickly go to Facebook and generate a dummy lead. Here it is. Okay, so here I've selected my page, my business page, ABC Welding Solution. The form is automatically shown up here. Now just a reminder, before you create a new lead, make sure you delete the old one. Alright, now this is our form that we created. Let us quickly fill in the details. Okay, we have filled in the dummy details. You can see the full name sample dummy, the email address of the lead, the contact number of the lead. Now let us just submit this form. Okay, it says the form has been submitted. Now let us go to Pabbly's page and see if it has received the response. And yes, you can see the response has been received. If you'll scroll down, you'll see the lead's email address, lead's contact number and lead's full name, which is sample dummy. This means we have successfully integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly. Now on to the action step. We will select WhatsApp Cloud API. For the action event, we will select send template message. Now let us connect the two. Add new connection. So here it will ask you for a few keys. For this, let us go to developers page. Okay, here is the dashboard. Come to the left hand side, you will see WhatsApp. From the drop down, click Getting Started. Here are the keys that we will need. This is the temporary access token. Let us copy this. Come back to Pabbly's page. Paste it. Now it needs the phone number ID. So again, go to developers page, scroll a bit down and you will see phone number ID. Let us copy this and paste. Now it needs WhatsApp business account ID. Again, we will go to developers page and right next to phone number ID, you will see WhatsApp business account ID. Copy, come back and paste. Save it. So you will see it's connected. Now it will ask you to select the template name. We will select send brochure final. This was the template that we had created. This means this message will be sent when a new lead is generated on WhatsApp, on Facebook. So let me quickly give you a glimpse of how this template message looks like. Yes, here it is. Like you can see this, hello, and the name of the person, user will come. Then thank you for showing your interest in your business name. That would come here. Like you can see the fields here, hello, and so on. We will come to this later. Now, after selecting the template name, let us write recipient mobile number. Let us map this and read the instructions. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code without plus sign. That is, it has to be in this format. But let me take you here and you will see in the response, we have gotten the number, the contact number of the lead with plus sign. So now what we will do is, we will click on this add action step. Here we will write text formatter. We will select this application. For the action event, we will select split text. Connect the two. Now the text that we have to split will come here. That is the lead's phone number, contact number, because we have to remove the plus sign. Separator would be plus. Why? Because we have to remove this plus sign from here. Now segment index would be last. That is because we want the entire text after plus sign. Therefore, we will select last as the segment index. Save and send test request. And you will see we have got the number without plus sign. So now in WhatsApp action, we will be using this number. Okay, scroll down. Let us connect it once again because we added the step midway. It would be select existing connection. Since we were already connected to WhatsApp, template name remains this. Now let us map the mobile number, recipient's mobile number. We'll take it from text formatter. Yes. And you can see it is exactly in this format, that is without plus sign. Now here you will have to paste the link of the document, the PDF document that you want to send. So since we want to send the brochure, you can see this is the brochure that we will be sending. We will just copy this link and paste it here. Here we will have to give the document name. I will just say brochure. Okay. For the body field 1, now let us see what we have to fill in here. For this, let us go to the template message. Here it is, hello, and this is field 1. Here the user's name will come, the person who we are sending this message to. So let us quickly map it from here. Scroll down and this is the full name. Now the body field 2, example it is given Pabbly Connect. For a detailed view, let us go to template and see. Thank you for showing your interest in basically your business name will come here. So let us write ABC Welding. ABC Welding. That is our business name. For body field 3, let us see what is it here. For more details, you can visit our website. Basically, your website's URL will come here. Website link will come here. So let us paste the website link. Here it is. We are set to go. Now I'll just save and send test request. So it says response has been received. Now let us go to leads WhatsApp account and see if they have actually received our message, our brochure. Click here. And you will see the brochure has been received. If you will click here, you can read the text. Hello sample dummy. Thank you for showing your interest in ABC Welding. And don't worry, since we are using web WhatsApp, it is showing message like this. If you are using WhatsApp application, it will show you the full message. And yes, we have successfully received, the user has successfully received the brochure as well as the message. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.